Imagine if you could look like a model without struggling for months or for years. Look, I'm not kidding. And don't just think that you can not do it. You can do everything. And whatever I'm telling you right now, it's the most simplest things that you can do to have a glow up. So if you're ready, then let's start. Spoiler alert, it's not magic. I'm not talking about magic tricks right now. So whoever wants to be beautiful or wants to have a glow up in just 1 or 2 days, you can leave this video. And those who want to be consistent, and if you're willing to give yourself even just 2 weeks, then stay tuned. Let's start with the mornings. The first thing to do, hydration. A glass of warm water with lemon juice jumpstart digestion and flushes toxins. It's like a mini detox every morning. Drink beetroot juice, that's effective if you want a glowing skin. You start getting results in just 2 weeks, but be consistent. Smelling good is another factor that we all need to think about. It's all related with your cleanliness and the perfumes or body wash that you use. So, if you don't know about this much, and if you want to know and if you wanted to smell like a goddess, these are some of the products that I actually like the most, and they're super amazing, guys. And don't skip morning stretches. They improve posture, flexibility, and circulation, making you look and feel more poised, just like you're ready to hit the runway. It's snack time. Snack like a pro. Models love nutrient-packed options like nuts, yogurt, or a handful of berries. These aren't just low calorie. They're packed with good stuff your skin and body need. Next, let's talk about meals. Aim for the 80-20 rule. 80% wholesome nutrient-dense foods and 20% indulgence. Think of your plate like a color palette. Greens, yellows, reds, and purples. The more vibrant, the more better. Skincare. Skincare is the main element for keeping you look like a model. Fresh, energetic, confident, and beautiful. I have a lot of videos, and I'm going to put the link in the description in which you can understand how to do your skincare, what are the products that you can use, and what is the routine that you can follow. So don't worry, I'm here, girls. Now, another key point, a non-negotiable key point, sunscreen. Every day, yes, even in winters, UV rays are the fastest way to age your skin. And do you know you're aging faster than you think? Yes. If you're shocked and if you wanted to know how, just watch this video and you will get all your answers. Now, models know that a flawless base starts with protecting your skin. Also, don't underestimate the power of mental wellness. It's the most important thing that you can do for yourself whenever you're feeling low, whenever someone is making you feel low, whenever you're feeling depressed and having panic attacks. Just speak to yourself. This is what I do. This is what I do. I speak to myself, and I think that there's another version or a person just like me who's talking to me, who understands me and make me feel that I am valuable, I am worthy, I am very good, I'm beautiful, and I can do whatever I want in my life. If I'm scared of anything, I calm myself. You don't need anyone else in your life. You don't need someone for constant validation, and there's only one person who can fix you, and that is you. That's the truth. And if you want to know more about mental strength, or if you want to know that you are mentally strong or not, I've created a whole video. I've made a whole video on this topic, so you can go and watch that. Exercise isn't about punishing yourself. It's about finding what you love. Whether it's yoga, Pilates, or dance, consistency is key. And guess what? Walking is a model favorite. It's low impact but super effective. Be happy, and stay away from toxic people. That's what I told you. That's what I advise you, my girls. Stay away from toxic relationships, relatives, friends, family, whoever they are. They drain all your confidence, your positivity, and peace. Looking like a model isn't just about genetics or expensive products, it's a lifestyle. With these simple, sustainable habits, you can look and feel your best every day. If you find these tips helpful, share with someone who wants to look like a model and let me know which habit you'll be starting today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.